Good morning, student. Today I am going to start my 8th video classes for the subject chemistry for class 9. Today my topic is how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquid. How can we separate mixture of miscible liquid? Today my topic is how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquid. Two miscible liquid. Because immiscible liquid is separated by the process of separating funnel by using the device separating funnel. Today I am going, once again I am saying that how today our topic is how can we separate a mixture of two miscible liquid. दो मिसिबल लिक्विड को हम लोग कैसे सेपरेट करेंगे. सपोज दैट suppose that we get a mixture of water and acetone. Acetone and water are soluble when acetone is dissolved in water, it is mixed up. By verifying the combination of water and acetone, we cannot say that they are mixture. मान लीजिए कि हमको एसीटोन और वाटर का मिश्रण दिया हुआ है, मिक्सचर दिया गया है, उसको हमको अलग करना है. तो टू मिसिबल लिक्विड के को सेपरेट करने के लिए हम लोग जिस प्रोसेस का उपयोग करते हैं वो दो तरीका है. एक प्रोसेस, वन प्रोसेस विच इज यूज्ड फॉर सेपरेटिंग द टू मिसिबल लिक्विड. दो मिसिबल लिक्विड को अलग करने के लिए एक जो मेथड है वो है डिस्टिलेशन, और सेकंड जो मेथड है, और फर्स्ट मेथड इज डिस्टिलेशन एंड सेकंड मेथड इज फ्रैक्शनल डिस्टिलेशन. So here the question arises that when the distillation process is used for separating the two miscible liquid, and whenever and when the process of fractional distillation is used for separating the two or more than two miscible liquid. So here two miscible liquid is separated. Here I have said that there are two methods which is used for separating the two miscible liquid. First distillation and second fractional distillation. So when fractional distillation is used and when distillation process is used, if the boiling point difference between two liquid is more than 25 Kelvin, then the distillation process is used for separating the two miscible liquid. And if the boiling point difference between two miscible liquid is less than 25 Kelvin, then fractional distillation process is used for the separating the mixture of two miscible liquid. I have said that if the boiling point difference between two miscible liquid is more than 25 Kelvin, then distillation process is used. And if the boiling point difference between two miscible liquid is lesser than, or we can say that less than 25 Kelvin, then fractional distillation process is used, or we can say that we can separate that liquid by using the fractional distillation process, or we can say that fractional distillation process is done when the boiling point difference between two liquid is lesser than 25 Kelvin. So here first of all I am going to describe what is distillation. Distillation is the process in which vaporization and condensation both takes place at the same time is said to be distillation. वह घटना जिसमें वेपोराइजेशन और कंडेंसेशन दोनों घटनाएं एक साथ होती है उसे हम लोग डिस्टिलेशन कहते हैं. तो हियर आई हैव गॉट द मिक्सचर ऑफ वाटर एंड एसीटोन. एज वी नो दैट द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ एसीटोन इज 330 Kelvin and the boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. After subtracting the difference between the boiling point of water and acetone, it is acetone and it is water. The boiling point of water is 373 and the boiling point of acetone is our 330 Kelvin. After subtracting, we get the difference between the boiling point of acetone and water 43 Kelvin, which is more than 25 Kelvin. So here the difference between the boiling point of water and acetone is more than 25 Kelvin. So here for the separating the mixture of acetone and water, we use the process of distillation. So here this distillation is performed by the given apparatus. Here it is given that it is a round bottom flask which is called distillation flask. First of all we take a distillation flask. That distillation flask is placed on a tripod. On that tripod there is a wire gauge is placed on it. In distillation flask we take the mixture of water and acetone. The mouth of the acetone is covered, filled with cork having a hole. In that hole there is a laboratory thermometer inserted inside it. The side part of the distillation flask is connected to the water condenser, in which in the one portion the water, cold water is entering inside it and another portion water is outside. The other part of the condenser, near it a beaker is placed. That beaker is also called reservoir, संग्राहक. एक बीकर रखते हैं जिसमें कि यहाँ से जो लिक्विड इस कंडेंसर से होकर के आएगा वो इसमें जमा होगा. The round bottom flask, we can say that the distillation flask is connected with the clamp. Now, and inside the round bottom flask we take the mixture of acetone and water. Start heating below the tripod by using a spirit lamp or gas burner. When we start heating and verify the reading of thermometer. When the temperature of laboratory therma will reach at 330 Kelvin, then the formation of vapor of acetone will start. In so 330 Kelvin पर एसीटोन का वेपर बनना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा और यह ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा और जाने के बाद इसी कंडेंसर से होकर के होते हुए यहाँ कंडेंसर में आने के बाद एसीटोन का वेपर कंडेंस हो जाएगा और कंडेंस होकर के इस बीकर रिजर्वायर में जमा होते जाएगा. यहाँ पर यह व्यवस्था की जाती है कि द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर शुड नॉट रीच 373 केल्विन. यहाँ पर इस तरह की स्थिति रखनी पड़ती है कि इसका टेम्परेचर लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर का टेम्परेचर 373 केल्विन ना पहुंच पाए, 373 केल्विन पर पहुंचेगा तो वाटर भी वेपोराइज होने लगेगा। सो वी ऑलवेज कीप अटेंशन दैट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर मेंटेन अबाउट 330 केल्विन, 330 केल्विन के आसपास ही रहना चाहिए। 330 केल्विन, 332, 36, 35 केल्विन के आसपास में रहना चाहिए। इस तरह से जब सारा एसीटोन जो है इस तरह से वेपर बन करके कंडेंसर के थ्रू अलग बीकर में जमा हो जाता है, और जैसे ही टेम्परेचर और इसके अंदर इस राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क के अंदर पानी वाटर जो है वो रह जाता है। इस प्रकार से हम लोग जो है इस एपरेटस का इस्तेमाल करके हम लोग सेपरेट करते हैं टू मिसिबल लिक्विड हैविंग बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिफरेंस इज मोर देन 25 Kelvin, and the process which is used for separating the two miscible liquid having boiling point difference is 25 more than 25 Kelvin distillation process is used. Now I am coming on the next miscible liquid in which the boiling point difference is less than 25 Kelvin. Just before I was said that if the boiling point difference is lesser than 25 Kelvin, then the fractional distillation process is used. Here the fractional distillation process is done for separating the mixture of two miscible liquid having boiling point difference is less than 25 Kelvin. So here in the same type of apparatus is used for separating the two miscible liquid having boiling point difference is less than 25 Kelvin. But one difference is that in that distillation flask there is a fractionating column. There is a fractionating column is also attached to the mouth of the round bottom flask. A student will see in your diagram as in that the same diagram is used, but one difference is that in the mouth of the distillation flask there is a fractionating column is available. In that fractionating column is a glass tube in which glass beads are available inside it. The glass beads inside the fractionating column make a surface for the condensation of the vapor which reach inside our fractionating column. In the fractionating column there is a cork. In that cork there is a hole in which there is a laboratory thermometer is placed inside it, and the same diagram is made for it. But only difference is that here the mixture is taken for the given diagram in water and alcohol. The boiling point of water is known, our alcohol, our water boiling point is 373 Kelvin, water, and the boiling point of alcohol is 357 Kelvin, alcohol, ethyl alcohol, 13, 7 चला जाएगा, 7 कितना हो गया, 13 में से 7, हाँ, 3 3 6, और 13 में से 6 और यहाँ बच गया 6, 6 के पास गया 16 के। Here for separating the two miscible liquid, here the boiling point of alcohol is 357 Kelvin and the boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. After subtracting, we get 13. After carrying 1, 13, 13, 7, 6, और यहाँ 6, 6 is a 5 या 1. It means the boiling point difference between water and ethyl alcohol, or we can say that alcohol is less than 25 Kelvin. Lesser than 25 Kelvin. Just the boiling point difference between alcohol and water is 16 Kelvin. For this, for separating both the immiscible liquid, the fractional distillation process is done for the to separate the mixture of water and alcohol. After taking the mixture of alcohol and water in the distillation flask, we start heating below the tripod by using our gas burner or split lamp. When we start heating, the temperature of laboratory thermometer rises. We will keep attention that the temperature of laboratory thermometer should be near about 373 Kelvin, and it will rises up because the difference between the boiling point of alcohol and water is just 16 Kelvin. So both the liquid will be changed into vapor state. हमारा पानी और अल्कोहल, इट मीन्स इथेनॉल, इथाइल, जिसको हम लोग इथाइल अल्कोहल कहते हैं, दोनों वेपर के रूप में यहाँ पर वेपर के रूप में ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर रीचिंग द फ्रैक्शनेटिंग कॉलम देयर इज ए ग्लास बीड्स. बोथ द वेपर ऑफ ethyl alcohol and water will reach inside our fractionating column, where there is a surface of glass beads where is available. On that surface, the water will lose their heat energy and condense into water droplet due to the latent heat of condensation. And that heat energy, lose heat energy by the water, is used by our ethyl alcohol, and it will be changed into vapor state, and it will go through the condenser, and in condenser it is changed into water droplet and deposited in the another in the reservoir container. The container will use your beaker or any other glass tub may be also available for depositing the ethyl alcohol. After some time, we see that all the ethanol is changed into vapor state and deposited in the our reservoir. इस बीकर में जमा होते जाता है, and at last the water is remain in the distillation flask. In this way, our both the liquid ethyl alcohol and water is separated by the method of fractional distillation method. It means this process has been done. It means the separation of ethyl alcohol and water is done by the process of fractional distillation. Now our today class is going to finish. Thank you. धन्यवाद.